Welcome. If you want to keep your Snapchat experience fresh and enjoyable, updating the app is key. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to update Snapchat on your Android device. Let's jump right in. First, locate and open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you've got it open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on it to open the menu. After you tap your profile picture, you'll see several options appear. Select Manage Apps and Device from this menu. This section is where you can see all the apps installed on your device and manage their updates easily. Next, look for the section labeled Updates Available. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of apps that have updates ready to go. This is a great way to keep track of all your apps, ensuring you don't miss any important updates. Now scroll through the list until you find Snapchat. It should be listed there if an update is available. Once you spot it, you'll see an Update button right next to the app. Tap that button, and the update process will begin. Depending on your internet speed, this should only take a few moments. Once the update is complete, you'll have the latest version of Snapchat, which means new features and bug fixes to enhance your experience. Keeping your Snapchat updated is crucial for getting the most out of the app, so make this a regular part of your app maintenance routine. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy snapping.